5 things a director should never do on set.
Look distracted when they're talking to their actors. That's one of the things you have to do. You have to make sure you're always put on a good face for your actors because they're looking at you. They're putting themselves out there, and you have to be there for them. So you always have to react, respond, and be positive. Even if you have a note, it should come from a positive place. So never be negative to your actors. That's only one, huh?
Yeah, 4 more to go.
Only get angry when you're really angry. Because I hardly ever get angry about something. But if I do, it works. Nobody wants to see me upset. They're like, wait, and that's usually like behind the scenes, not in front of people, but like, if you're having a dispute with the studio or a producer or something. That's 2. What else should you do? Obvious now, hit on women.
Or men, yeah.
Or men, sorry.
Yeah, or could
hit on
either,
anyone
yeah.
in any physical
Any
way.
gender,
And that's
yeah.
always been ingrained in me. Like, you're in a position of power. I that's always been my rule before the Me Too thing. You just don't do that. It's just common sense. That's 3. Well, yeah, that's another one. I would say if you have to even think about if a joke is appropriate, then you shouldn't say it. You have to even contemplate it. So that's 4.
Okay. Darn, that takes away all the best jokes.
Yeah, it does.
It's just no fun.
About being
You
edgy,
can't have any
right?
fun.
And then the 5th one, what not to do as a director. Don't ever be late. Like, God. And don't ever be unprepared. Like, you just over-prepare. You can throw the plan out, but you have to be prepared. It's like you have a ticking clock from the minute you get there. And so if you're not decisive and didn't do your homework, you're just burning money and it doesn't end up on the screen. So that's 6 things.
6?
You get rid of the
Yeah,
joke one. The joke one, I still tell jokes.